Flight 15 now departing from Gate 3. Flight 15 now departing from Gate 3.
Let nothing stand in your way! My plan is going perfectly, Proto-Man. Once the airport is mine, I'll control the city. Insane, mad. Well, I'm showing them.
This is Captain Lee. Kennedy International Airport is under attack by Dr. Wily's robots. We need help immediately. Calling MegaMan. We're calling MegaMan. Please help us.
Looks like Dr. Wily and his slime buckets are at it again.
And to think, we used to work together. You must be stopped, MegaMan.
Right! I'm out of here!
Yeah, we're out of here.
Whoa! Where are you going?
With you.
Not a chance, Fancy Pants. I don't need any girl robots getting in my way.
You mean you don't want a girl robot showing you up?
Forget it, Roll. It's too dangerous. Come on, Rush! Into action!
Yeah! Woof, woof.
Hey, don't forget your energy cans, MegaMan!
Thanks, Eddie! Let's jet out of here!
Hurry, MegaMan. Dr. Wily's robots are taking over the control tower.
MegaMan's gonna need my help whether he needs it or not. Men are all the same. Even the robots. Hang on, Doc! We're going full throttle!
MegaMan! The blue bomber!
I hate MegaMan. He ruins everything. Attention all robots! Destroy MegaMan!
Try these on for size! A perfect fit! Mind if I borrow this?
Oh, now you've got my weapon! Why can't we stop that blue dweeb?
Maybe you should plant some more brain chips into your robots, Dr. Wily.
Now we'll have to rebuild Bombman again. I'll blast MegaMan to pieces.
No! I must destroy MegaMan. He's my brother.
You remember I built you, Proto-Man, and you will obey me.
You're right, Dr. Wily. I'll obey you when I want to.
Why didn't I implant some humble chips into that boy?
Let's see how fancy your powers are against me, Mega Jerk.
I'm as good or better than you, Proto-Man.
We'll see about that.
Oh no, you don't, hot stuff! Hey, he really went to pieces. Come on, Doc, this is easy.
Cutman, let's crush her!
With pleasure, Gutsman.
Leaping transistors!
Oh no! I'm out of power!
Yes! MegaMan's crashed like a rose petal under a ton of steel.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back after these messages.